Hello, viewers. Today, let's talk about brewing rustic Asian rice wine. Last week, I talked about the equipment you need in your kitchen to brew some delicious rice wine. And this week, it's time to talk about ingredients. What ingredients do you need? Well, that's in the recipe. But more importantly, how do you find these ingredients? So that's today's topic. If you like this video, please click that like button and subscribe, and please share this video wherever it is appropriate. So I'm going to start with a bit of a disclaimer here. I'm going to be talking about the ingredients for rice wine, how to find them in the US, because that's what I know about. Of course, if you don't live in the US, then the quest for these ingredients, is going to be different. And I hope if you have any special insights into where to find these ingredients in other countries, I hope you can write something in the comments. That will really help the other viewers of this channel. I know there are a lot of viewers, say, in Canada, in Indonesia, in India, in the UK, that are looking for these ingredients, and if you have any insight into where to find them, if you share them in the comments, it'll really help out the brewing community. So I appreciate that in advance. Thanks for helping out with that information. So let's get started. What's the most fundamental ingredient of rice wine? Of course, is rice, and you're going to want, in most cases, you're going to want sweet rice. For example, I want to brew some makgeolli, so I want to find a nice big bag of chopped sal. And one good place, of course, to find it is in H Mart or another large Korean supermarket. Since rice is heavy, it's easiest to buy in person. Now, if you have to order online, I do see that H Mart does have sweet rice actually in this size for sale now. A few months ago, they didn't. They only had very small bags of sweet rice. Now they have a bag of this size available for ordering online. So that's nice. I haven't ordered from H Mart online. I got this in person. This is what you need: some sweet rice. Okay, besides H Mart, where can you find sweet rice? Well, in pretty much any Asian supermarket, you'll find these smaller bags of sweet rice. This is 5 pounds, 2¼ kilograms. This is a pretty common brand. You can find this in any kind of Asian supermarket, I think. And also, if you're within 100 miles of New York City, I know that you can order this from Fresh Go-Go. That's a delivery service for Asian groceries. So that's actually where this came from. So this is perfectly good brand of rice to use for brewing. It's just it's a pretty small bag, so that's why I when I can, I like being able to go to H Mart in person and get the big bag. So I was glad to see that H Mart had the big bag available online now. Okay, so rice, very important. Okay, so you have your rice. What's the next essential ingredient? Some enzymes. And depending on the kind of rice wine you're making, it'll be a different kind of enzyme, but they all serve the same general purpose. This is Nuruk for making makgeolli, and this is from H Mart again. And I believe H Mart does sell this online as well. You can order this online from H Mart. The important trick is don't look up Nuruk, look up enzyme. If you look up Nuruk, it looks like they don't have any product. If you search for enzyme, you'll find a product like this. So this is regular supermarket Nuruk, works perfectly fine. Has a nice mild flavor, but essential for making makgeolli. And I did see that there are other brands of Nuruk that are available on Amazon. Now, those are pretty expensive. I haven't ordered them just because they seem a lot more expensive than what I can get from H Mart. So I'm not providing a link to those. I know they're available. Maybe if someone has tried them out, they can tell me in the comments what they thought of the Nuruk that's available on Amazon. Another kind of enzyme is Koji, and this is Horaima Koji. I did order this from Amazon. It's probably quite a bit more expensive than what it would be in a supermarket. If you can find this in Asian supermarket, of course that's probably better. But I ordered this from Amazon, and it worked fine. I brewed. There's several brews on the channel made with this Koji. So I was happy with this. This was easy to use. And of course, if you're making Chinese rice wine, you'll be using these kinds of yeast balls, the Chinese yeast balls that are round, made with rice. Well, it does say here that these are for making wine, but in English, all it says is rice cake. So you have to just recognize these by what they look like. And again, I do see some of these on Amazon, but they do look too expensive to me. So I'm not putting any links in the description for that. So you're gonna have to look for these in person at an Asian supermarket. Another kind of enzyme, red yeast rice. So I've seen this at quite a few Chinese supermarkets. This is not a supplement. It's just a giant bag of red yeast rice, and that's what you want for brewing this kind of thing, not the supplement. And this was not expensive. This is 2 pounds, 900 grams for $5. So that's often the trickiest thing to find is the enzyme. You want to brew a particular kind of rice wine. Often the trickiest thing here is to find a good source for the enzyme, whether it's Nuruk or the Chinese yeast balls, Koji, or red yeast rice. Those can all make delicious rice wine. Next important ingredient for rice wine is yeast, and I often use this kind of yeast, Red Star Premier Blanc, and this is just a very regular, common white wine yeast, and it's appropriate for rice wine. This I have successfully ordered on Amazon many times, and you can get a good price for it. If you order multiple packs. So I often order 10 of these packets at once, and it lasts me all year, and it's relatively inexpensive per pack when you do it this way. So I am going to put a link in the description to this yeast. As a disclaimer, I should tell you that as an Amazon associate, I earn for qualified purchases from those Amazon links. So yeast, very important. Now there are other kinds of yeast, white wine yeast you could try. You could try ale yeasts. Any kind of top fermenting yeast is appropriate for rice wine. One of the things I really like about this hobby of brewing rustic Asian rice wine, that's all the ingredients you need. There's water, rice, enzymes, and yeast. That's it. With those ingredients, you can brew delicious rustic Asian rice wine in your kitchen. Now, there's just a couple more things I want to mention. They're not strictly ingredients, but they're very important. And I did a video about this earlier. It is sanitizing. You might want some products for sanitizing your jars, your tools. And for example, Star San is one of the standard home brewing sanitizers. You mix a small amount of this with water, follow the instructions, and you can sanitize a lot of equipment at once. It sometimes leaves a foamy residue that slowly dissolves, but that foam does not affect the brew. So that's Star San. I will put a link to the Star San in the description. And another very low-tech, old-fashioned sanitizer, potassium metabisulfite, Campton tablets. Very standard thing. One of these tablets mixed in water in a spray bottle. You can use that to sanitize your tools, and jars and equipment. It is again simple to use. This is inexpensive. This is 100 tablets. It's not expensive. I'll put a link to this in the description. And if you want more information about sanitizing, of course, please see the earlier video I did on that subject. So that covers the ingredients you need to brew rice wine in your kitchen. Please let me know in the comments if there are any challenges you've had in finding these ingredients, especially if you live outside the US. I would really like to gather more information about finding these essential brewing ingredients in around the world. Where can you find them? And I just know that for the US, find H Mart or another large Asian supermarket. That's always a good first place to look. And there are a few things you can order online, either from H Mart or from Amazon. I wish you the best of luck in finding the ingredients you need for your brewing. I hope you found this interesting. Thank you for watching.